Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Happy Yoga is designed to bring you the beauty of Mother Nature as we take time to bring more balance into our mind, body, and breath. Allow the spectacular sunflower display to inspire your practice as we enjoy a modified seated yoga session using a chair for support, including seated sun salutations and a gentle series of stretches to increase range of motion in your shoulders and upper back while releasing tension in your neck and spine. Relax and remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste. Namaste. Let's begin our practice focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine. Breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with wrist rotations, reach your arms forward, making a light fist. Bending at the wrist, make small circles, covering as much space as possible. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. And release. Interlace your fingers. Bend at the wrist, with the right fingertips pointing down and the left pointing upward, stretching through the wrists, hands, and fingers. Switch, bending at the wrist in the opposite direction, with your right fingertips pointing upward and your left pointing down. Keeping your fingers interlaced, reach your arms forward, lengthening through your wrists. Transitioning into a modified cat-cow stretch. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release, returning to center, exploring modified sun salutations. Inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Exhale, lengthen your torso forward, pausing halfway. Place your hands to thighs, folding forward. With cactus arms, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms reach overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Exhale, lengthen your torso forward, pausing halfway, activating your core. Place your hands to thighs, folding forward. With cactus arms, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, lengthen your spine. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms reach overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Exhale, lengthen forward, pausing halfway, feeling your core strong. Place your hands to thighs, fold forward, stretching through your back body. With cactus arms, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms reach overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Transitioning into a lateral stretch. Reach your left hand to your right leg and your right arm to the sky, reaching up and over to the left, breathing wide into your right side body. Adding a lateral neck stretch, clasp your right hand beneath the chair. Use your left hand to support the weight of your head as you relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. To release, use your left hand to lift your head to upright. Repeating this sequence to the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, lengthening through the left side body. Continue lifting up and out of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips. Adding a lateral neck stretch, clasp your left hand beneath the chair as you relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, using your right hand to support the weight of your head. To release, use your right hand to support the weight of your head, returning to center. Transitioning into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Transitioning into shoulder shrugs. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, release, relaxing. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Transitioning into a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body, using your left arm to gently guide it in, reaching energetically through your right fingertips. Release and repeat to the opposite side as you continue sitting tall with your shoulders down and back. Release, returning to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Use your hands to gently massage your neck and shoulders, releasing tension. Release and return to center, transitioning into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, improving circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Pausing with your arms overhead. Bend your right elbow, reaching between your shoulder blades. Use your left hand to gently guide your right arm in, along the right side of your head, for modified archer arms. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Bend your left arm, reaching between your shoulder blades, pointing the left elbow to the sky. Continue to firm your shoulder blades against your back ribs while lightly lifting through your heart. Release and return to center. Exploring modified eagle pose. Reach your arms forward, palms facing down. Scoop your right arm under your left, bending your elbows with the backs of your hands facing each other, sending your arm bones forward, fingertips pointing to the sky, and if space allows, palms to press. Cross your right leg over your left, squeezing your thigh bones together. Adding on, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round through your upper back, drawing your elbows towards your navel. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, re-lengthening your spine. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift and lengthen, and with each exhale, round through your upper back, drawing your elbows towards your navel, chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Pausing and upright. Maintain your legs, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, reach your right arm back and open to the right, extending towards straight. As you reach the left arm forward, rotating from the belly, ribs, and chest. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Repeating to the opposite side, reach your arms forward, palms facing down. Scoop your left arm under your right, with the backs of your hands facing each other, or if space allows, palms to press. Cross your left leg over your right, squeezing your thigh bones together. Adding the upper back stretch. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round through your upper back, drawing your elbows inward, coiling your navel back. Continue moving at your own pace. With each inhale, lift to upright, sending your arm bones forward and up. And with each exhale, round through your upper back, drawing your elbows inward, chin towards your chest. Pausing and upright. Maintain your legs. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, extending your left arm back and open to the left as you reach your right arm forward. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around the eyes, behind the eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Allow your breath to be easy and natural, simply paying attention to each inhalation and exhalation as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath. Adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
After filming over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr for public television, we're proud to present Happy Yoga on Demand. Over the last 10 years of teaching chair yoga, Sarah Starr has become the foremost expert in creating accessible yoga practices. And with this online streaming service, you're able to have access to the entire Happy Yoga catalog, including all the Happy Yoga episodes, live audio yoga classes, breath, and meditation.
Each portal provides you with a customized experience, including our accessible yoga portal, featuring our gentle yoga programs for anyone who wants to know how to start a practice, or if regular yoga just seems like too much, but still want to receive the benefits of yoga without getting out of your chair. Also included are the Mastering Balance programs, which allow you to experience seated and standing postures to strengthen your core, increase stability, balance, and muscle tone using a chair for support. From there, you have the option to take your practice to the yoga mat. If you've been doing accessible yoga and are looking for more of a challenge, our Intermediate Yoga Portal provides you with a dynamic yoga practice with a variety of sessions, allowing you to grow your practice at your own pace. Whether you're new to yoga or looking for inspiration to grow your practice, we have a yoga session for you. Visit happyyogaondemand.com.